Today, we're going to put our parchment paper to use to make one of the easiest and cleanest weeknight meals.
Inside a paper pouch, this Mediterranean-style grouper bakes up perfectly flavorful, moist, and flaky. Begin with a large sheet of parchment. You can also use aluminum foil if you prefer. Put down a nice layer of sliced zucchini, a little larger than your fillet of fish, and then add sweet ripe tomatoes, briny Kalamata olives, and meaty butter beans. Then drizzle with good olive oil. That's going to add some flavor. And then place the grouper on top and drizzle with a little more olive oil and lay slices of fresh lemon on top of the fish and season with salt and pepper. Wrap the paper tightly to create a sealed pouch. This will allow all of those flavors to meld together and a sauce forms on the bottom as it cooks in the oven. The pouch also traps in the heat and moisture, so there's no risk of drying out the fish, and it cooks a little bit faster as well. Once all of your portions are prepared, on a baking sheet they go and into the oven. And here's an easy herb sauce that I love that adds a ton of flavor. Chop fresh parsley, then mix that with a pinch of red pepper flakes, lemon zest, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Give it a little stir and serve it alongside that adorable single-serve pouch of deliciousness.
And one of the other things I love about this healthy meal is just switch up the proteins or the vegetables and you'll never get bored.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com.